Okay guys, today we are going to discuss numbers. That is the chapter 2 of mathematics of class 9th. Before going to discuss, basically the numbers are considered to be the foundation of mathematics, and in the start we will discuss about the real numbers. And before that, to understand the real numbers, we have to discuss some different set of numbers like natural numbers. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? We represent the numbers with n, and all the numbers that start from 1, 2, 3 and so on, which are also considered to be the positive integers. Similarly, second, the whole numbers. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers represented with capital W, and the numbers are the same set of the natural numbers, but they have one more number, that is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And the third set, that is the set of integers. So integers include that are represented with a z, and that includes the numbers on both sides of 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and on the left side -1, -2, -3. So these set of these numbers are considered to be positive integers, and this set of numbers on the left side of 0 is called negative integers. So after discussing these numbers, now we are going to discuss the real numbers. So what are actually real numbers? Real numbers can be defined as a set of numbers, that is a set of two set of numbers. So what are actually those sets? The first one, that are rational numbers, and the second is irrational numbers, right? So now what are rational numbers? Rational numbers, rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, right? Where Q must not be equal to 0. Q must not be equal to 0. So in the form of set builder notation, we can represent that rational numbers are with capital letter Q, where P upon Q is a rational number such that P and Q belongs to integers, and Q must not be equal to 0, where P Q set must be equal to 1. So this is what we represent a rational number in a set builder notation. Similarly, an irrational number. What is an irrational number? Irrational number, that is denoted by Q prime, and through set builder notation it is represented like x is an irrational number such that x is not equal to P upon Q. That means irrational numbers cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q, and P Q, whereas PQ belongs to integers, and q must not be equal to 0. This is what the family of rational and irrational numbers can be represented. You can say that this is a complete set that represents all the rational numbers, and this is the complete set of irrational number that represents all the members of irrational numbers. So this is like you can say through a formula we are representing both the sets. So combining, so real numbers that is equal to the union of rational and irrational numbers. So that is the complete all the members of rational and irrational numbers collectively are known as the real numbers. So if we represent through a diagram, like you can say that initially we have discussed natural numbers, right? So the outer set, that is the set of whole numbers, you can see whole numbers also includes natural numbers. So natural numbers are inside whole numbers. So the third circle represents integers. So you can see both natural numbers and whole numbers both are present in the set of integers. Thirdly, in the fourth circle represents the set of rational numbers. So the set of rational numbers contain all natural whole number integers. So, and the outermost part that is that contains irrational numbers. That is the set of real numbers. So this contains all the values of real numbers.